The taxation module deals with a couple topics. The first being the form of organizations. When a business starts, it has to basically choose how it's going to operate in what form. The typical choices would be a sole proprietor, a partnership, a corporation, and within a corporation it could be a C Corp, S Corp, or an LLC. Those are typically the three primary forms of corporation. We'll also talk about how to form a corporation, the advantages and disadvantages of the various forms. And this becomes important if you're going to start a business, because you do need to know that fairly early on how you're going to be treated in as far as an organization is concerned. The second thing we're going to look at are alternate forms of taxation. We are taxed personally in this country in the form of a progressive tax. In other words, the more you make, the more you pay. Our rates go anywhere from 5% up to 37.5% after your deductions, after we arrive at taxable income. This is our current form. There are other forms as well, though. One's called the fair tax, which is basically a national sales tax. IRS actually goes away, and you're taxed basically on purchases of merchandise, generally new purchases. And the rate can be anywhere from 23 to 24%. The other alternative is something called a flat tax, where regardless of your income, you pay a flat tax of roughly 17–18%. There are no deductions to speak of except for some family allowances type deductions. Otherwise, we all pay the same rate. The millionaire pays 17%, and the lower middle class person pays 17%. So we'll talk about the three methods, the alternatives that are out there, and get your opinion on which method you think is best.